Hi, it's Susan from Escapes, and I have just checked into the Grand Velas in Los Cabos, and Karen is kindly going to show me around my room. So thank you, Karen. Where are we going to start our tour?
We are going to start right here with the privacy bag. We're going to start right here with the door. We have this little privacy bag that is just help us to maintain the privacy in your suites. It's very important to keep it inside because otherwise no one is allowed to come in or bring any services, including cleaning.
So if that's hung outside, that's what that means.
Exactly.
Okay, perfect.
Right. Right here we have the energy saver. It's very important to maintain the heat inside for you to just enjoy everything efficiently, to working efficiently. Okay, so it's very important to maintain it inside.
I think everyone's concerned about energy efficiency and
exactly. So that's our concern. We have one closet here. We have some bats, some sandals, and the pool bag you could rack into the pool.
perfect.
Okay, right here we have the second closet. This one is a little bit bigger, and here we can find an extra pillow, extra blanket. We have some hangers. We have some dryer for the hair. We have the laundry service and the safe box.
So what do you mean by laundry service? We can actually send our clothes out to be washed and dried and brought back.
Exactly, but it will be an extra charge.
Yes, of course.
Okay. After this, we're gonna go to the bathroom. If you please, yeah, to come in. Okay, if you want to see it, we have the shower right here with shower. If you like have some hot water, just pull it to the left.
Okay.
Okay,
And a lit makeup mirror
exactly.
and actually a whole makeup table. That's very nice.
In the other side, we have tap for you to enjoy with some bubbles.
Can you turn the light on?
It is also hot
Perfect.
water for the
Very nice.
bed.
And we have amenities here. And what are these?
We have different amenities. We have some shampoo, we have some bubbles, some cream body lotion. We have this is a shampoo, and this is for this is a shower gel.
And it's designed by L'Occitane.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, and the towels look big and fluffy and absorbent. Beautiful.
We also have some scale, if you like.
I never weigh myself in destination.
That's good.
I don't want to faint.
Okay, right here we have the mini bar. This is some
Oh, this is
wine
beautiful.
bottle. We have some mezcal, and down we have some espresso machine and some tea maker.
And those are the little pods
Little
for
cups, yes,
okay.
for the
coffee and
coffee.
espresso.
And right here we have the flavors.
Perfect.
Okay. Just down we have the snack bar.
Ooh, now
This
this is a treasure trove.
This is all included, and that would be no charge.
M&M's, chocolates, Oreo cookies.
And we have the
Alright.
flavors, the tea flavors.
Perfect.
Okay. Just down from the snack, we have the mini bar. We have some water, some juice. We have the local beer, and we have some chocolate and strawberry milk.
And we've got Pepsi and Diet Pepsi, 7-Up, Canada Dry, Gatorade.
Yeah,
That's a good selection. Oh, and I see there's a Mars bar, and there's also cream.
And we also have
Oh,
a
that's
Snicker.
perfect. Oftentimes when I have coffee in the morning, if I make it myself, I like a little spot of cream.
It is very important to say that if you like some, you can press 0 on your phone, and that would be bring it to you.
Now this room, I have to say, is magnificent. And this is 1,000 square feet, correct?
That's right.
This is larger than some apartments in Vancouver.
Oh my God.
It's very large. That bed looks so inviting. I love the sage green. So what can you tell me about my bedroom?
Well, we have here different services. we actually have the suite service menu. And the menu is on the TV. Let me start over now. I'll show you how it works. Right here we have restaurants. After restaurants, it will go directly to the suite service option. Right here. And after that we have your menu. And it would appear directly to the menu from suite service. Okay, this is a 24 hours menu, so you can enjoy this all day or night.
So I dial 10?
No, only 0.
Only 0, and I can
Order. And
order
someone
this.
will be attending you for the order.
Perfect.
Okay.
For us, this is a great option because oftentimes we have meetings at 9, and to have our breakfast early is perfect for us. And what else can you show me?
We also have here in the hotel a program that helps us to save some water. And usually sheets are not changed during your stay, but if you place this little card above your bed, that would be changed.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Good. Yeah, perfect. Everyone is conserving, and I think that's wonderful.
Yeah.
You have to be environmentally conscious today.
Exactly.
Perfect.
All right, if you allow me, I can show you your balcony.
Oh, okay. Let's go out there. Oh my goodness, look at this view.
From this view, you can actually see the sunrise very early in the morning.
And I'm on the 7th floor.
Yes.
How many floors?
There are
10.
10.
I am high up. Oh my goodness. This is breathtaking. I mean, it literally takes your breath away. It's amazing, God's creations. Yes, Velas has made the pools, but God certainly designed this beach and ocean. Oh my. I am so going to enjoy.
Okay, allow me to explain a little bit the hotel and the services we have. We have Azul Restaurant, which is open from 7 to 6 and is for breakfast and lunch. Okay, we in the second level we have the spa and the gym, and we also have Miramar bar and the 3 pools.
I'm going to change positions so that I can continue to watch this view and listen to you. Perfect.
We have 3 pools. The pool next to the ocean, it's only for adults. The second one is for activities and families, and the third one as well.
It's just so beautiful to the eye to see all of the greenery and the color of the tile and the white umbrellas. It's truly magnificent. That water is so turquoise. Amazing.
Okay.
And this is going to be my office for 3 days. I'll be answering emails from here, so sorry guys, but this is my office.
This is a non-smoke area,
Mm-hmm.
so it's free for.
And Grand Velas has graciously provided a selection of cheeses and some toast and a bottle of wine. And I probably will be having a taste of that. And we've got some comfortable couches and some magazines on the area. What else can we touch on? Is there anything that we've missed?
I think that's it.
There's drawer space, there's areas for your luggage, and
This little nightstand that are in both sizes. We have this little box.
perfect. Well, Karen, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate you walking me through this. Is this what every guest can expect when they check in, is someone to come and explain?
That is right.
Perfect. Well, thank you again. I am looking forward to my stay.
And we're glad to hear that.
Thank you.
Bye bye.